Hey guys, it's your Tech Queen. I'm about to show you all that it's not as hard as it may seem. And today's topic at hand is Microsoft Teams freezing, particularly the desktop application. But before we get into that, make sure you like, subscribe, hit that bell, and if you have questions or concerns, comment those down below as well. Alright guys, so we're going to get straight into it. So everybody know the frustration of working with Microsoft Teams application. um, it gets annoying that every time you click on it, it freezes up, it says not responding, etc. So I'm gonna show you a few ways of how to get rid of that when it's not responding, how to close it, and alternative ways that if you just can't get it up, that is what you could do. So you can still be able to get on your team meeting, get in your chat, etc. All right, so this is the desktop client, and as we are all familiar with the teams, the assignments, the chat, and the interface, basically, the first thing you could do is if this is saying not responding and it's frozen up, um, if the X doesn't work, most likely it won't. You go ahead down below and you can right click and you do close window. If that does not work, you can navigate to something called Task Manager. When you open that up, a new window will open up and you're going to see Microsoft Teams um, up there, and you're going to just click on that and do end task, and that should end it for you. Most likely the manager method does work where it's able to end it when it's not responding. Sometimes it doesn't, and if it doesn't, you're going to do a hard reset. You're going to restart your computer, and hopefully when it comes back up, your Microsoft Teams is closed or it is able to load again. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and open Teams back up. uh, well, before I even open Teams back up, the second way, once that is closed and again it's not responding, you could try to open it back up. Most likely it may freeze again on you. So something you could try is down below, if you come here, type here to search. I'm gonna go ahead and paste this in, but I'll drop in the description below for you to copy and paste. You go to appdata, Microsoft Teams. You either type in the path individually, or you can go ahead and just put that full path in it and go and open up all the folders, which is way easier. So from here, what you want to actually go to is your cache. So this is going to be the cache for your Microsoft Teams desktop application. And what you're going to do is go there, and I've deleted mine, but you're going to see several different files. So what you're going to do is you're going to go ahead and quick keyboard command is you're going to press Control A. That means Control All, and then you can go ahead and delete. All right, so you're going to Control A, right click, and you're going to delete. Okay, so from there, these are the ones that didn't delete on my end. Third time deleting, they finally deleted. So this folder is now empty, and I've deleted all my cache. So once you delete all that, you can open up Microsoft Teams and it should be able to function properly. Because mine wasn't on not responding, I can't really show you guys, but try that for your own and you'll see that it should come back up, moving faster, or again, um, not rather responding. So, all right, so the next thing is, if all that is going to have me sign in now, but it does not erase any of your credentials, anything like that, okay? Um, so, um, next thing you could do is, if that clearing the cache doesn't work, or that restarting it after you close it doesn't work, or that restarting your computer and that doesn't work, you always have the option to go into your apps, and um, once you go into your apps, again, you're going to search for Teams, and you could go in here and you can uninstall that application. Once you uninstall this, it's super easy to reinstall it, and it's free as well. So you'll uninstall it, you'll bring up Chrome, whatever web browser you use, and you'll type in Teams Online. And from Teams Online, you can go ahead and first link, you're going to log into Teams. It's going to say, but you're going to download now. From download now, you're going to just download to your PC. A little box is going to come down below. You're going to click and run that, and it's going to download the new Teams um, desktop application. Now, if none of those work for you, the re-download, the clearing the cache, the restarting, all that good stuff. Then you can, for the moment of the meantime, if it is on Microsoft Teams that the app desktop application is down, you go ahead and use the web client. So the web client does the same exact thing as the app client. However, it's on the internet, so you have better luck with it being on the internet because um, and like applications, the internet, it's on the internet. So you don't fall into a lot of problems with the internet version. um s- well, with the web client, both of them need internet to run, but you don't fall into a lot of trouble with the web client. And it has the same functionality, so you can use that for the meantime, for the time being, if you can't get through with the other um options that I provided to you. But most likely clearing cache works, as well as uninstall and reinstall if it gets to that point. And of course, this is the last thing, the alternative. You can always use Teams web client. All right, guys, short and simple. Simple. I am your tech queen, and I'm always here to show you that it's not as hard as it seems. Make sure you guys like, subscribe, hit that bell, and if you have questions or concerns, comment them down below as well.